On-site acceptance and commissioning of microchannel automatic bending machine. Live shot from Southeast Asian factory. In the camera, this microchannel automatic bending machine, tailor-made by us for a Southeast Asian customer, is undergoing final acceptance and complete commissioning at the customer's factory, and will soon be officially put into efficient production. As a dedicated equipment for microchannel precision processing, it boasts strong forming flexibility and can accurately complete various complex bending forms such as G-shape, U-shape, and L-shape, perfectly meeting the processing needs of core products like microchannel heat exchangers and refrigeration components. The core advantage of the equipment lies in its full servo control technology. Each bending process is independently driven by a high-precision servo system, which accurately controls the product's moving distance and bending angle. This ensures the consistency of forming dimensions and angle precision, completely eliminating manual errors in traditional bending and achieving the dual goals of zero defects and high efficiency in microchannel component processing. From the equipment's factory delivery, overseas installation, and commissioning to the successful on-site acceptance by the customer, we have won the recognition of the Southeast Asian customer with stable performance, precise technology, and professional services. This bending machine will become an efficient tool for the customer's production line,